Okay, we need to create our schema, label or name our database, then select our database, change our global functions, and of course we need to create all of our different tables, which are currently being shown. Then we need to import our data after our tables are created, and these are going to be all of our CSV files. Once our files are imported, we can actually do some queries. And here we're going to ensure that all of our data was imported properly, so we're going to do a select function. And as you can see, the data was all imported properly. Next up, we're going to expand on this query a little bit. And then we're going to just copy and paste some code we already have. And then as you can see, we have a much larger table to deal with at this point in time. And the next query we're going to do is a average heart rate per the different participants. And as you can see, it worked appropriately. The next up, we're going to look at max, min, and average heart rate per participant. And we're going to do another select function for that, group by the different IDs, and then we'll see if this works appropriately, which I have a suspicion it probably will. And indeed it did. As you see, we have ID, min, max, and average heart rates. Next, we're going to do a join function and look at heart rate as well as IBI with the different participants. And as you can see, it did work. We have our ID on the left and our gender, age, min, max, heart rate, along with the average. So we're going to do a few more final queries, and we're going to have a new tab here. And here we're going to compare participant averages with the overall average heart rate. And then once this is run, we'll see if it works, and it should. And it does. We have our D on the left and our average heart rate, and then in descending order by average heart rate on the right. And of course, next up, we're going to look at heart rate variability. And we'll put this in descending order. And this should indeed work as well. And it does. We have our participant ID on the left, average heart rate variability, and descending order by heart rate variability on the far right. And for the final query, we're going to be doing kind of like a time series. We're going to have to change the time variable and get it into minutes. And then it'll be a select what we're selecting, and then we're going to divide it by 60 to get our hourly rates. And then we'll put our everything in order. And it does indeed work with the participant ID on the left, then our minute in the middle, and it will load it by hours, and then average hours on the right. And so again, this just shows some of the brief queries that you can do. You can do a lot more, but this just shows what everything is capable of. Thank you very much for watching this short form of the video.